hello apple. I start with the A sound. Apple. Hello A. I'm a juicy red apple, ready to munch. B. Hello ball. I make the B sound. Ball. Hi B. I love to bounce and roll around. C. Hello cat. I make the K sound. Cat. Hi C. I love to curl up and say meow meow. D. Hello doll. I make the D sound. Doll. Hi D. I love to smile and play with kids every day. E. Hello elephant. I make the E sound. Elephant. Hi E. I am big and gentle, with long floppy ears. F. Hello fish. I make the F sound. Fish. Hi F. I love to swim fast in the cool blue water. G. Hello giraffe. I make the per gram sound. Giraffe. Hi G. I use my long neck to reach the tall green leaves. H. Hello horse. I make the H sound. Horse. Hi H. I love to run fast and say neigh neigh. I. Hello ice cream. I make the I sound. Ice cream. Hi I. I'm cold, sweet, and everyone loves my yummy flavors. J. Hello. I am the letter J. I make the sound J. Juice. Hi J. I am juice, yummy and fresh, starting with your sound J. K. Hello. I am the letter K, and I make the sound K. Kite. Hi K. I am a colorful kite, flying high with your K sound. L. Hello. I am the letter L, and I make the sound L. Lion. Hi L. I am a strong lion, roaring loudly with your L sound. M. Hello mango. What sound do we make together? Mango. Hello M. We make the per meter sound, M for mango. N. Hello there. I'm the letter N. You look like you belong to me. Nose. Hi, N. Yes, I'm a nose, and I start with your sound, N. O. Hello. I'm the letter O, shaped like a round fruit. Orange, and I'm an orange, juicy and bright, starting with you, O. P. Hello. I'm the letter P, making the sound P. Peacock. And I am a peacock, proudly spreading my feathers that start with your P. Q. Hello quill. I make the sound Q. Quill. Hi Q. I am a quill, and I start with Q too. R. Hello rabbit. I make the sound R. Rabbit. Hello R. I am a rabbit. I run and hop happily. Rabbit face. S. Hello ship. What sound do I make? Ship. Hello S. You make the S sound, like in ship. S. Where do you go every day? Ship. I sail on the sea and carry people and goods safely. Wave. T. Hello train. What sound do we make? Train. hello T. We make the T, T, T sound. T for train. Smile. U, hello umbrella. What sound do I make? Umbrella. Hi you. You make the U sound, just like umbrella. U, when do children use you? Umbrella. On rainy days, I open up and keep everyone dry. Smile. Hello van. I make the V sound. Van. Hi V. I carry people and things safely everywhere. W, hello watch. I make the with sound. Watch. Hi W. I tell time and help everyone be on time. Smile. X, hello X-ray. I make the per kilosecond sound. X-ray. Hi X. I help doctors see inside our body. Y, hi yak. What sound do I make? Yak. You make the Y sound, just like yak. Z, Z's. Hello zebra, your stripes look amazing. Zebra. Thank you, Z. My zigzag stripes make me special. Zebra.